cup of cornmeal. Got 2 cups of flour. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 cup of maple sugar. I'm going to stir together our dry ingredients and create a well in the middle for our wet ingredients. I have 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, and then I'm doing 1/3 of a cup of the Costa Rica spicy red pepper olive oil to add a little bit of spice to our sweet cornbread. So we have 1/3 of a cup of this. Now we're going to do 1/4 of a cup of honey, which is 4 tablespoons. So I'm just going to estimate here. We got 1, 4 eggs, I'm going to stir our milk in until just combined. And at this point, if you want, you can fold in a can of drained corn. Now all that's left to do is pour into a buttered cast iron skillet and cook for 35 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. And then let it cool, cut, and serve.